We are at 1009 Bluebell Brook. This property is in Henderson and it has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths.
This is a 2-story home with 2,200 square feet. It's got a 2-car garage and a 220 volt for your electric car.
So we're gonna go ahead and jump in and so you can take a look. We are at 1009 Bluebell Brooks. This property is a 2-story. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and it has a loft upstairs which you can convert into another bedroom. You see this over here? This is all of their backyard. I can't wait to show you the backyard on this property. It's so pretty. But all of this is their backyard. It is great for entertaining. It has the built-in fireplace right there by that heated soaking pool. So it's great for entertaining, and it has a lot of extra area out there for your barbecuer and your tables.
This home is located in a gated community with an HOA of $65, which includes a community park and a community pool.
This house is located in Seven Hills, which is great. It's about 15 minutes from the airport, right by the freeway. It's by restaurants, it's by Chicken and Pickle if you guys like to play pickleball. So it's conveniently located. So I'm gonna go ahead and recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage. So if you want to know more about this house or any other house, our information is down below. You can reach us, call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us, and have a blessed day.